2, Jen Barkin with 3, Caitlin 4, Amy 5, Mackin 6, 7, and 8, Patty Ann 9.
66 down Lauren in turn 4 jumping Colts in their jump off. Jump off time 39.565, and rider information D, time allowed for the first round has been increased to 84 seconds.
Joe, do you know what the time allowed is?
Not a clue.
It's tight, you know that much.
Our next entry on course is number 485, Sound Effects. The entry of Joanne and Judy Narron and shown by Jen Alpha.
It's got four, man.
7, 9, and Alex Fogarty with 10.
Good morning, Pierre.
Number 45, Sound Effects, Jen Alpha, turn 4 jumping